If you don't have the app, the Bluetooth tags, or you know the pin code to the dashboard buttons, this bad boy whip's going nowhere. Yes guys, got another bad boy whip in the Auto Elite building. It's the RS Q3 from Audi. It looks incredible. But this car is very hot and thieves love them. So I've decided to fit the i96 from StarLine. The i96 will prevent the car from starting. If you don't have the app, the Bluetooth tags, or you know the pin code to the dashboard buttons, this bad boy whip's going nowhere. There we have the tag with the battery removed, which is simulating no tag near the vehicle. Try and start the vehicle, ignition on, start, and it just dies. I'm going to put the ignition on, enter the code, you'll get a confirmation, and then the car will run. And when the tag or the phone app isn't present, the keyless lock-in doesn't work, which is great when someone's standing outside your front door with a receiver and they're sending the signal to the mate.